As a team leader, you can make announcements or send messages to your team members. From your home screen, simply click on New Message. You will then be prompted to choose who you would like to send the message to. You can choose from all staff, from teams, if you have multiple locations, or a selection of individual team members. In this case, let's choose all staff. Then write your message. You can also then add an image if you would like, and simply click Send. Your team members will receive the message and will be able to comment and interact within the message. This feature enables you to keep all the updates and communication in one place. To check who has seen the message, open the message, click on the recipients at the top. You will then be able to see who has viewed the message and who hasn't.